Everybody, oh, everybody, oh, oh, I gotta get myself together, yeah. I gotta get myself together, oh. See, my mama told me, don't worry about them boys. They ain't doing nothing for you, but making you fall apart. I gotta get myself together, cause we'll never be apart. I told her once how I felt about you. And you know what she told me? She said your love is not true. I gotta get myself together. Oh, I gotta get myself together. Ooh. I gotta get myself together. I gotta get myself together. Oh, when I sat down and thought about what you said, it started to make sense as I got older. I just thought about all the things that he did to me. He broke my heart and he tore me into pieces. But what did I do? I put it right on up. Gotta get myself together. Gotta get myself together. Oh, gotta get myself together. Gotta get myself together. Whoa, gotta get myself together. You see, she told me something, and it was special to me. I took my mama's words, and yes, I listened to her. She told me this for a good reason, and I'ma do what she told me. And I'ma do what she told me. I gotta get myself together.